Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on topic sequence. What is meant by sequence? A sequence is a rule which assigns to each natural number a unique element of s. That is, a sequence is a function whose domain is the set of natural number n, whereas the range may be any subset of real numbers. Next, concept of real sequence. A real sequence x is a function whose domain is a set of natural number and range is a subset of real numbers. Real sequence is generally denoted by capital N to capital R, means sequence is mapping from N to R, set of natural number to set of real numbers. Sequence is generally denoted by the following ways. Set of 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and so on is a sequence whose nth term is 1 by n. Nth term is 1 by n. It is denoted as xn, means xn is equal to 1 by n for all small n is set of natural numbers. Equality of sequence. What is concept of equality of sequence? There are two sequences xn and yn. The two sequences are said to be equal if xn is equal to yn. For all small n is set of natural number. For example, consider xn is equal to set of elements minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1 and so on, and yn is equal to minus 1 raised to n. Small n is set of natural number. If we put the value of n is 1, minus 1 raised to 1 is 1, minus 1, minus 1 raised to 2 is 1, minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 and so on. These two sequences are equal if xn is equal to n. This is concept of equality of sequence. Next, constant sequence. Sequence xn, this is defined by xn is equal to c. This is constant sequence. Small n is set of natural number. For example, xn is equal to set of c, c and so on. The constant sequence 1 is the sequence 1, 1 and so on. The constant sequence 0 is the sequence set of 0, 0, 0 and so on. This is concept of constant sequence. Next, boundedness of sequence. What is meant by bounded? The given sequence is bounded above as well as bounded below. The given sequence is bounded above as well as bounded below. The given sequence is bounded. First term is bounded above. What is meant by bounded above? The sequence xn is said to be bounded above if there exists capital M. This is real number and this real number can be written as xn less than equal to m, means such that xn less than equal to capital M. Small n is set of natural number. Capital M is called upper bounded of this sequence xn. Next, concept of bounded below. The given sequence is said to be bounded below if there exists small m belongs to R, means real number, such that xn greater than equal to small n. For all natural number, here small m is called lower bound of xn. Bounded sequence. Sequence is called bounded sequence. The given sequence is bounded below as well as bounded above. If xn is bounded, there exist two real numbers. First one is small m, second one is capital M. These real number can be written means such that small m less than equal to small xn less than equal to small capital M for all natural number. Another definition, another words, x is bounded. Sequence xn is bounded, there exists capital M belongs to R, there exists a real number such that xn less than equal to capital M. For all small n belongs to capital M, such that mod xn less than equal to capital M. This is another words of bounded. Monotonic sequence. What is meant by monotonic sequence? The given sequence is monotonic if it is either monotonic increasing or monotonic decreasing. First concept of What is meant by monotonic increasing? The given sequence xn is said to be monotonic increasing if xn plus 1 greater than equal to xn for all n is natural number. If you put value of n is equal to 1, means 1 plus 1 is 2, means x2 greater than equal to x1. This is increasing, monotonic increasing function. Next, monotonic decreasing. The given sequence xn is said to be monotonic decreasing if xn plus 1 less than equal to xn for all n belongs to capital N. If you put value n is 1, means 1 plus 1 means 2, x2 less than equal to x1. This is monotonic decreasing. The given sequence is either monotonic increasing and monotonic decreasing. The given sequence is either monotonic increasing or monotonic decreasing, then it is said to be monotonic sequence.